Our journey started today with the planning to go to Chilipam, one of the most beautiful monasteries in the West Kaming district of Arunachal Pradesh. Beautiful mountains soon mesmerized us. Sharp turnings, narrow roads. You need to be very cautious. As we were going uphill, I could feel the pain of the cold, so I waited to wear my hand gloves. Soon we came across a very tiny house, and I was curious to see what was going on there. There we saw an old person living alone. He was preparing the local wine that is called Chang. He said that he was preparing that because he was hungry, and he offered me also. I offered him some money, but he refused to take it. But after some time, he accepted it. I had to refuse the wine because I don't drink. So I asked him how he prepares this. He said it takes 2 or 3 weeks preparation. He is actually the guard of the local kiwi farm here. This is the farm. You can see the whole Rupa from this uphill. So after a few minutes, we reached our destination, that is Chilipam. One of the most beautiful monasteries I have ever seen. While entering, I could see a person doing something. So I went to him and asked him what was the purpose behind this.
आप ये कर रहे हैं तो ये क्यों करते हैं? मतलब उसका मतलब क्या है?
तो मतलब ये आपको जो पाप किया होगा, कोई मुर्गा के काटा होगा, पक्षी के काटा होगा, सब पाप हटेगा बोल के ये करते हैं। और
मतलब पाप का प्रायश्चित कर रहे हैं ना?
पाप का धरा की करता है। आप तो करते था सब अब कीड़ा पैदल जाएगी तो कीड़ा मरता है
जी।
हम होटल में जाएंगे मीट खानी पड़ता है, एकदम मीट खाएगा एकदम पाप लगता है ना, ये पाप हटेगा बोल के इसे करते हैं।
So 2 of my dear students went there to help me. They are the locals from here. Everything that is made of copper here in this monastery is actually prepared by Anil's father himself. They explained to me the purpose behind everything here. The feeling that you get when you are here can't be explained in words. Out of the world experience. You can view Bomdila, Rupa and many other places from this hilltop. These statues are all connected with Buddhist mythology. People come here for good luck and blessings. Akash and Anil wanted to take me to some other beautiful places, and how could I say no? Have a look at this beauty. Here also all the copper things are prepared by Anil's father. The statue here represents the enlightenment of Gautam Buddha. Then they took me to this beautiful waterfall that goes all the way to Rupa town, connects with a river. Whole Arunachal Pradesh is full of waterfalls like this, the source of which nobody knows. This thing has many uses for the locals. Glue and the seed are extracted from this. The seed is eaten. At last they took me to this half-prepared monastery in Mosak Singh, full of symbols. It seems when fully prepared, it will also have some breathtaking beauty. After that, we made our way back to Rupa. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe and share.